How to drive a car. Adjust the seat so that your feet comfortably reach both pedals. Familiarize yourself with the foot pedals. Adjust your car's mirrors so that you can see through them clearly and effectively. Know where the parking brake, also called a hand or emergency brake, is and what it does. Get a feel for the shift lever. Understand your basic dashboard controls. Always start your car with your foot on the brake. Put on your seat belt. Turn on the engine and release the parking brake, if necessary. Learn how to back your car out. When you're ready to move your car forward, come to complete stop and shift the car into drive. Hold both hands on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 position. Use your blinkers. Learn how to turn the car using the hand-over-hand method. Learn how to switch lanes. Stay a healthy distance behind other cars. Don't tailgate. Drive defensively. Stay in the right lanes for slower speeds and the left lanes for faster speeds. Whenever possible, pass cars on the left side instead of the right side. Abide by the speed limits. Be extremely careful in abnormal driving conditions. Be courteous on the road. Have fun. Learn how to parallel park. Learn how to merge in heavy traffic. Use a roundabout. Learn how to drive uphill. Save gas.